I kind of just heard about your team because you guys were sending a lot of emails to everybody, and there were a lot of posters everywhere about like just an interest meeting, and I thought I wanted to just check it out, see if I liked it. If I didn't, I just wouldn't do it. If I did, I'd keep doing it because, you know, it's just a good experience to get a lot of knowledge from. I was pretty excited because it was a good way to like get to know everyone's strengths, get to know my own strengths to get ready for build season. I learned that a lot of people are good at a lot of different things, and trying to make them do things that they aren't good at isn't really helpful, and that the build season is going to be pretty strenuous, so you want to get to know people a lot more to be able to be friends with them and connect with them.
Our current president, Lev Yalevsky, came up to me and a few others on how to design a newbie game that could better entice newbies to come and stay with the team for the rest of the year. And we've never had a newbie game like that. So what me and a few others came up with was perhaps we could come up with a similar game to one of FRC's old games, like 2016's FIRST Stronghold. Got a few pieces of 2x4, plenty of duct tape, a few hinges, and we managed to make a sally port, a ramp, and a wall. The thing I liked most about this newbie game was that it put me out of my elements. I'm typically used to making some of the mechanisms that we put in our drivetrain, as well as making a few plans in our strategy department. But this gave me a chance to combine all that, as well as to learn a few things on the side, like Robot C. I remember it took me like 2 or 3 meetings to actually get working Robot C code, and that was, you know, stressful, but it was fun. Going over the groups, the newbie groups, it was quite rewarding. It made me, and I'm quite sure the others who worked on this project as well, I think we all felt a sense of community as well as accomplishment, that we were actually getting these newbies more engaged than ever before. I'd love to do another newbie game next year. However, in terms of improvements, I'd like to base this game away from 2016's FIRST Stronghold. I feel like if we were to continue making games similar to that, it would get bland quite quickly. So perhaps we could make a game next year involving a centerpiece, with the bots moving smaller objects to interact with that centerpiece. Like, instead of interacting with spheres, perhaps cylinders, cubes, prisms. Also, I'd love to get Auton incorporated within these projects. While it should be, you know, a more engineering-centric game, I'd also love to incorporate a few software engineering elements into it.